All right, here we go. Combat 1087's 2-box break, 13-14 Panini Dominion. Might take one after. Have you seen this stuff, my double AJ? Why is that even a question? The question for everybody tonight shouldn't be if you're going to take one, it's how many. All right, we start with a base card, number to 299, Cody Hodgson. We've got a private signings that I am already extremely jealous of. Number 99 of 199, Danny DeKaiser. DJ Danny D. Danny DeKaiser, private signings, number to 199. We've got a Mammoth Jersey Prime, numbered 4 of 25, Nicholas Backstrom. We've got a 1 of 1 yellow printing plate, Chris Letang. Oh, sick. We've got a 3-color rookie patch auto, numbered 178 of 299, Philip Forsberg. Numbered to 299. And we've got a 2-color patch and autograph, numbered 65 of 99, Chris Chelios. That was a good box. Box 2. Next person who complains about small window patches, I'm just throwing out there, I'm going to say it is going to be $300 a pack for you then. Oh, it's perspective, Vegas, and people often don't have any. We've got a base card to 299, Gabriel Landeskog. We've got a jersey numbered 11 of 99, Vladimir Tarasenko. The Tarasenko. Nice. We've got a 1-color rookie patch auto, numbered 4 of 299, Captain Canada, Scott Laughton. 4 of 299, Scott Laughton. Oh, nice. Very nice. We've got a back-to-back beginnings dual autograph, numbered 80 of 99, Nail Yakupov and Jonathan Huberdeau. We're to 99, Jonathan Huberdeau, Nail Yakupov dual auto. We've got a base gold numbered 48 of 50, Derek Stepan. And a 2-color patch and autograph numbered 49 of 99, Ryan Getzlaf. Sick. There we go.